If you are in 10th class, you must watch this video. Physics part, chapter light, 12 to 14 marks. Here some important things are ray diagrams, Snell's law, lenses and mirrors, numericals. Biology, chapter life processes, 8 to 10 marks, digestive system, human heart, respiration, nephron diagram. Chemistry, carbon and its compounds, 8 to 10 marks, homologous series, dot structure, working of a soap, properties of ethanol and acetic acid. Physics part, chapter electricity, 6 to 8 marks, series and parallel combination, Ohm's law, power and heat numericals. Biology, chapter how do organisms reproduce, 6 to 8 marks. Here some important are types of asexual reproduction, fertilization in plants, male and female reproductive system. Chemistry, chapter metals and non-metals, 8 to 9 marks. Here chemical properties of metals, reactivity of series, calcination, roasting, exceptional properties. Biology part, chapter heredity, 6 to 7 marks. Monohybrid cross, difference in acquired and inherited traits, sex determination. If you want to score more than 60 marks, you have to read these topics thoroughly. Thank you.